We'll guide you through how to recover your Dropbox account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website on your desktop and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Once you're at the login screen, click on the Forgot Password link located just below the password entry field. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Dropbox account. Make sure you enter it correctly, then click the Submit button. Dropbox will then send you an email with a password reset link. Go to your email inbox, find the email from Dropbox, and click on the Reset Password link in the email. This will take you to a new page where you can set a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before for added security, then confirm it by typing it again. Once you've done that, click the Reset Password button. Now you can return to the Dropbox login page, enter your email and the new password you just set, and click Sign In. You should now have access to your Dropbox account. If you don't see the email from Dropbox, remember to check your spam or junk mail folders as sometimes automated emails can end up there. It's also a good idea to add no reply at Dropbox.com to your safe senders list to ensure you receive future emails from Dropbox. If you're still having trouble accessing your account, you might want to contact Dropbox support for further assistance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.